Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of this yapping session of my podcast, obviously. So yeah, for context, I'm here, the backyard of our house, and I'm just trying to reflect, as I am trying to get rest for this week ahead, and some ant just bite me, which is painful. But yeah, I'm just trying to, record this feeling or whatever into whatever's in my mind right now, like to dump those things, that happened. But yeah, man, I hope that whatever you do right now, you have to enjoy those feelings. You deserve those. What happening? What's happening to you right now? Because you've been through a lot lately. And yeah, the Presa Nationals was just done. And for me, it was a great thing to have, but not gonna mention what happened on that. But maybe some, of some things that, one of them is just having some people around you that really appreciate you, man. Includes you, celebrates you in a way for being you. And yeah, bro. That Presaa Nationals that happened previously was just a lot of lessons for me to and and my perspective gotten more, you know, as I meet new people, my perspective gotten more wide on the things that I am going to, do in the upcoming weeks, days ahead. So yeah, I just want to be on that moment where every day is just another day of trying to get better once again. And what I mean by that is every little thing really matters, man. And if you find those people that, you know, really checking up on you and including you for being you. I don't know if it's making sense right now, but yeah. I hope that I can get stick, man. Yeah, so this is the stick, bro. Like it's a mic right now. But yeah, I'm checking if it's recording though. Yeah, it is. It actually is. And yeah, those are the reflections that I want to, or that moment I realized that damn, you will really meet people that, at the right time where um you don't know them, like for your whole life. They're just new to your face. Huh? They're just new to your eyes and you just meet them there or met them there. And for being alone, I mean not really, like alone, but spending my time mostly with myself and then going into that, Presaya Nationals and that Tuguegarao trip. It really amazed me that someday you will really meet those people, man. Someday you will meet those guys that, as I've said earlier, celebrate you for you, celebrate you for who you are and includes you on whatever and everything. And yeah, just basically have a concern on you, genuine interactions, and all the good things that I can say. But one thing is for sure, man. That thing is, or that feeling is gonna be forever in me. That someday soon they will all interconnect. You aren't, we aren't, I mean, for me, my perspective, we are not rushing things. We are just like trying to get better by ourselves and trying to be, genuine, pure intentions as I as I want to be that kind of person and going along the way, we will definitely meet those people. And on to the next things, man. It's it's something to find or like to be exploring or adventurous of yourself or to be bold and be brave than you are because I've been playing so little in my life. Not really, I'm not really looking down on myself, but I need to get out more probably or like to challenge myself on those hard things, especially trying to be social because we are social, and trying to express more in terms of whatever whatever that you can do, express those things, those feelings, man. And by doing this podcast, it's just some it's just some it's just a good thing for me to express once again because I've been this podcast been not really doing anything or not doesn't have any episodes in the last few months, but 2025 is really tough for me, because I got so competitive and the other side of me, the yapping version of me, is just settled or like being put aside. But I really love yapping, and as years goes by, this podcast is just right, maybe around 4 years. Started this 2021, and I'm seeing progress on those moments and episodes that I publish here, because this is all about me, something, something like that, and the things that I want to do, I did do, in the past, and yeah, I'm back at here again yapping in a place where, it's our backyard. This is a place where I spend most of my time with reflecting and in pandemic when grandfather is still here planting some plants. It's the moment where I spend most of my time with him, talking different kind of stuffs, everything in life. So yeah, it's just a different place, man, but I like to yap on the other places that I go through, or I go to. So yeah, every podcast I'm like this man. I hope someone will not interrupt me. I'm like shaking my voice because if it get deeps, if the conversation get deep, I'm just being real with myself right now, and just being real, man. I moving on forward, I really like to explore a lot, maybe places and all that. But yeah, it's gotten to maybe a little bit of emotional right now, because in just a few months time I'll be, moving on and graduating, hopefully, in college. But yeah, I'll take things in my pace. I'm not gonna rush into things. But I will trust myself that I am capable of doing things that I really want to do and make a, you know, living out of it. Sooner or later, I will figure out life. But I don't want to be living in in the society, like do this and that and all the things that they want, but I'll just be by myself living. So yeah, it gets personal on that, but yeah, this last few weeks was just, a roller coaster of emotions for me. And going home again and trying to move on forward with life as next week you know, will just another week and set of challenges, especially in school. Yeah, moving on, man. I mean, what's next, bro? Like, I don't know. But anyways, um, yeah, this is podcast is all about rest and reflect and recover somehow on the damage, on that damage that happened, on the previous week, physically, mentally, emotionally, man. Trying to recover and move on to the next week as as we should be. So yeah, I think this is the first ever episode for this year, and I'll try to fill up some things on the podcast. But yeah, I'll see you guys on to the next. Peace.